they stay there. You wanna play with bubbles? Naglalaro siya ng bubbles. Hey, Jasper, look at all the bubbles. Come on, catch it. Catch it. Look. Hinahabi niya yung bubbles. It's fun. Look at them all. Look. Cute. Hey, here. Jump. Jump. Okay. Sit. 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 Up. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Check. Check. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Check. No. Check. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Jump. Good boy. Jump. No. Come on. Jump. Good boy. Jump. No. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come on. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Good boy. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Jump. Good boy. Hello! Welcome back to Marie's Life in Australia. Nagluluto ako ng ginisang ampalaya. Request siya ni Mother. At saka I'm boiling the eggs from our chicken. So, ayan. Request siya ni Mother. Iniwa niya yung mga bitter melon. Hindi naman niya niluto. So, tumalaw ko sa kanya kagabi. I brought her some food, and she asked me if I can cook it for her. So why not? Ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito, ang kakapal ng hiwa niya ng ampalaya. I don't normally use a thick slice of ampalaya. So ayan ang aking egg. Lagyan ko ng konting sugar, konting patis. Maalat kumain yun. Lagyan ko din ng patis, haluan pa niya mamaya. Tigas ulo. It takes a while to cook kasi cut thick strip itong ampalaya. If I'm the one that cut this, it has to be thin slice. Saka mas masarap talaga yung pagka thin slice and then with egg. So I will have to cook this a little bit longer kasi ayoko nung natetest ko talaga yung bitter. Ayan guys, ready na. Dadalhin natin to sa kanya maya-maya. Umuusok-usok pa oh. Ngayon magtotorta naman ako dahil I got some corned beef. Leftover lang yan from last time, but I will make it into torta. Doon ko na rin iniluto sa pinagkisahan. I can't be bothered washing. Ay, nako, ganun din lang naman yan kakainin. Hindi naman to restaurant. Home cook lang to. Here's the torta. Torta ready. So, dala natin si mother maya-maya. Ayan. God, everyday halos ko siya dinadala. Nung isang araw may nilagang manok, prito, tapos corned beef. Kung ano niluluto ko dito siya din dinadala kay mami. Very sad nga lang kasi 5 kaming mga anak. Walang nakakaalala. I don't understand. Ako lang. I sometimes wonder bakit ganun ang mga brother. Well, para sa akin yung sister. Kasi babae siya eh. You know? Anyway. I'm doing my bit. I'm helping my mom. Now, piprito naman tayo ng spring rolls. And guys, luto na. Magtataka kayo, hindi masyadong brown kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng maraming oil. Tama na yan. I'm hungry. Nag-microwave din ako ng sticky corn kernels. Apakasarap niyan guys. Iinit nyo lang sa microwave. Frozen kasi yan eh when you buy it. It's frozen. Just heat it up in the microwave for 3 minutes. Then put some magic syrup, no salt. That's it. It's okay. Yummy. Ito pa nga pala, nagawa ko ng fish. Last night. Yan ang ginawa ko kagabi. Dinalang ko siya. Fish na sala. Spoiled na nanay ito ah. Oh. Dapat. In every children, you know, merong isang anak na makakadepend. Hirap tumanda. Ang hirap tumanda. Guys, back again. Kakain muna ako. Hindi ko muna i-play yung dog kasi when I lie down there while I'm eating, nag-jump all over me. I can't concentrate eating. Thank you for watching Mari's Life in Australia. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.